Please turn to page 29 for the materials chapter. In this video, I will show you how to organize and prepare your materials. When you first receive your kit, you will find the teacher manual, Blackline Masters, as well as a red, orange, yellow, green, and blue file folder. First, open the packet of file folders and spread them on a table. Next, open the Blackline Masters to separate them into those color file folders. Notice the pink separation pages that clearly identify the masters to easily file them in the correct folders. Here's the red readers, the decodable books to file in the red folder. Next, the orange reader masters that are filed in the orange folder. Continue filing all the readers in their proper files. Notice the yellow, the green, and finally the blue. After filing all the readers in the color folders, you will then find the portfolio Blackline Masters. Pull the red portfolio masters and place them in the red folder along with the readers. Remember to keep the pink separation sheets so the pages don't get mixed up when they're in their files. The orange portfolio Blackline Masters are next. Pull those and place them in the orange folder. Please notice that there's Blackline Masters here for 2 yellow portfolios. To avoid confusion, these portfolios are clearly marked with the reading books that they are aligned to. Grab those Blackline Masters, put them in the yellow file folder. After filing away the yellow Blackline Masters, let's move to the green. Notice there are 2 green portfolios at this level as well, and the books that they are aligned to are labeled clearly on the pink separation papers. File those away in the green file folder. And finally, at the blue level, there are 2 portfolios. Notice the Blackline Masters are labeled as well. Put those in the blue file folder. At this point, all the Blackline Masters are separated and organized in their proper file folders, so they can easily be retrieved when needed to duplicate for use. This is how we create a student portfolio. First, go to the color file folder. In this case, I need to make this red student portfolio. So I grab the red folder and use the pink page inside to identify it. Next, before duplicating, I remove the pink page and the very next page. That's a direction sheet in case you need a reminder of how to make the portfolio. Grab the Blackline Masters. Notice they are one-sided. Put them in the copy machine and duplicate them one-sided. Then staple the pages together down the left side with a heavy-duty staple to make it into a booklet. Another alternative is to comb or spiral bind the booklets together. Let's walk through the steps to make the readers, the decodable books in this kit. In this case, we are making book number 13 from the green level. So we go to the green file folder. Find the pink separation sheet labeled green readers. Remove the pink separation sheet that identifies that these are the Blackline Masters for the green readers, as well as the next sheet. Those are directions of how to make the books, in case you need them. Now we'll find the Blackline Masters to make book 13. Please note that there's 3 back-to-back sheets to make this book. All books require 3 back-to-back sheets. Put the Blackline Masters in the copy machine. Now it's very important that you keep these pages stacked together to make the books correctly. Never turn them in different directions. They have been placed in your Blackline Masters in the exact order and position to make the books correctly. When you copy these books, copy them double-sided, back to back. Grab those stacked sheets, cut them along the dotted line, and now you have 2 piles, the top and the bottom. Discard the top half sheet. Notice this is an information sheet. It will identify the letters learned and sight words in this book, as well as directions of how to make the book. Stack the 2 piles together. Notice I'm grabbing the bottom set and stacking it on the top. Now we're ready to finish up the book. Fold it in half, making sure that you make a spine, and finally staple it along the spine. Open the book to make sure that all the pages were prepared correctly. I have shown you how to organize and prepare the materials in this kit. Let's go to page 30 in this chapter for information about all of these materials. On this page, you will see one of the 8 reading portfolios in this kit and one of the 26 readers. All the reading portfolios clearly identify the reading books aligned to them. Notice the covers of the portfolios also have the Ella, Ollie, and Chase characters on them. These are the characters from my free online videos students watch to reinforce what they learned in their reading groups. At the bottom of the portfolios is a place for students to write their names. Notice the reading book, the decodable book. This is one of the readers aligned to this portfolio. The words students learn to read in their portfolios are the same words used to write the stories in their decodable books. Now let's go to the remainder of the chapter. On the following 5 pages are at-a-glance visuals of the different portfolios and reading books. On page 31 is the red portfolio. This is the first level in the program. In this level portfolio, students are learning their first few letters and a few sight words. That means they have not learned how to decode CVC words at this point. Therefore, the matching books at this level are only written with sight words and rebus pictures to make sentences on each page. These are books 1 through 3. At the bottom of the page is the orange portfolio with the matching readers, books 4 through 6. And on the portfolio, it identifies that this is 4 books 4 through 6. Starting at book 4 in the orange level, students will read books that have both sight words and CVC words, which they learned how to read in their portfolio. Page 32 displays the yellow portfolios as well as the readers. At the top is the first portfolio used at the yellow level and its matching readers, books 7 through 9. And below is the yellow portfolio for books 10 through 12. Page 33 displays the green portfolios and readers. At the top is the portfolio used for books 13 through 15. Below is the green portfolio for books 16 through 18. And finally on page 34 you will see both blue portfolios with their matching books. At the top you see the blue portfolio for books 19 through 22 and at the bottom the blue portfolio for books 23 through 26. In this video, I have shown you how to organize and prepare your materials for instruction. In the next chapter, I will show you how to administer the initial assessment so that you can place your students in the proper reading groups.